Hi friends, in this video we just going to see about how to make bulleting and numbering on your WPS Office Word or Writer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So to bullet and numbering on the WPS Office Word, you just need to select the entire point of the line or paragraph that you want to make as bulleting or numbering. So after selection, you can see an option called here, but you just swipe it and right click here. You can see an option called bullet and numbering option. So here you can choose which type of numbers that you want, which type means which theme. So for an example, for bullet size, a circle theme, a square theme, or arrow theme, or tick theme. So just click here, you automatically get applied. The second easiest way is, first easiest way actually, is from here. You just click here, the bullet is applied. Just click here, the number is applied. After clicking the bullet and number, you just need a design. You just click on the small drop menu here, drop down menu. You can change the numbering style or the bulleting style from this option. So it's easier to bulleting and numbering on WPS Office Word. So it's actually easy to make a bullet or numbering for your document. So try this option on a WPS Office Word. And if you have any doubt, just comment below, and we will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.